Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Marlon and today I'm going to do a video of what's in my camera bag. This is the FIFA World Cup 2018 Russia version. I'm headed to Russia and so I'm going to show you guys what I'm taking along for this trip. Let's get right into this. Alright guys, so for this trip I decided to bring along my gimbal, which I rarely do. I rarely bring my gimbal on any of my trips. But this one is a special one. I'm going to Russia. I want to, capture some nice footage and stuff. So I picked up the Lowepro ProTactic 450 AW camera backpack. It's a fantastic camera backpack. I'm very familiar with this one because I own the 250, which is a very small compact version of it for mirrorless cameras, which I love. But again, I'm bringing more equipment. That's the main thing that's taking up all the space in this backpack, because I wanted to have a backpack that I could pull it in and out without having to take apart the gimbal. So all right, so let's take a look inside. We'll start off with the Lowepro Dash Point 20, which is where I carry my point and shoot camera. I'm actually shooting right now up top with this, and it's a fantastic little camera. It's the Lumix LX10. I like to bring that camera along for when I don't want to bring any equipment at all and just take a point and shoot with me, and I usually use that to take pictures and vlog in like stadiums and stuff like that. So that'll be perfect for this trip. Next here, I keep a lot of these Tumi bags that I get when I fly on like Delta to store stuff. So this works perfectly. Right here I have my camera chargers and cables for that. I have them stored in there. See there, little camera bag case. Next I have the Belkin, I forgot the model number on this. I'll link it down below so you guys can check it. Anyways, this is a nice little outlet that brings 3 regular ports, and then you have 2 USB ports up top. So I like to bring this one along on my trips. Right here I have a adapter. This one is also very nice. It brings 4 USB ports, and then you have where you plug in your regular US cord, and then you have the options here for Europe and all these other countries. So, again guys, I'll link all this stuff down in the description if you guys want to check out what I'm using. Those are affiliate links, and so just be aware of that. They're not going to cost you any additional money, but you will help out my channel. Next up is my Anker power bank. I've had this for quite a while. Very, very nice. Lasts a long time. I think this is like 20,000 milliamp hours. Very good. With this charger right here. I decided to pull the trigger on a while ago actually. I've shot a couple of videos with this already. This is the Sigma 18 to 35 millimeter lens with the Viltrox EF to M2 0.71 adapter for Micro Four Thirds. It's a great lens to bring for low light. I know it's really big, but I wanted to test it out, so bringing that. Next up, I have my favorite point and shoot or walk around lens for photography. It's the Leica 15 millimeter f1.7 Panasonic, like I should say. Very nice lens. So I'm going to bring that one. All right, next up I'm bringing the 42.5 millimeter f1.7 Lumix lens. Very nice lens, great for low light, great portrait lens, and great for B-roll as well. Down here at the bottom I have this black bolt. This thing is, I did a review on this if you guys want to check it out as well. This is nice to have for smaller cameras. I put my point and shoot on here if I want to do time lapses. It's just a timer, and you can set different settings here in time-lapse mode or fast mode or whatnot. And again, I have its charger for that. Let's get to here I have this wrapped up in here. This is my Manfrotto Pixie mini tripod, and I have a quick release plate here. It's actually a quick release, but I really like these. These are the newer DC38Q plates. Very nice to have, and I have the plates attached to all my cameras, so very nice to have. I use this to vlog, really put my camera on here and vlog. Next up I have the GX85 with my 12 to 35 millimeter and the hand grip. This is basically my B-roll camera and my photography camera. So Got that one there. Over here I have my Hercules. I'd have to show you guys. This is like a little remote slider. You have to put it together. It's the Rollcam Hercules, and basically I just have it in there. It's all taken apart, but that's what I use to get my shots, you know, that like slider shots. Down here I have my light, which I also did a review on if you guys want to check that one out. Bringing my light just in case I need it. Oop, turn it on, there you go. And this is the GVB Gear GVB PL12 light. Nice little light to have. Over here I have just a Rocketfish blower, my Rode Video Micro, which is what I use on my GH5 to vlog. Over here I have a Pelican case with all my SD cards on it. I have some old cards on there that I use just to store stuff. This is the charger for the Moza Aircross gimbal that I have. One of the things I don't like about this gimbal, it's a massive charger for the batteries. And down here I have some of the accessories for it, the cable that you attach to the gimbal for the Panasonic GH5, and a couple of loose screws there, and that's about it. And so finally I have here the GH5 with the Moza Air gimbal. I do have to make a slight adjustment to it when I pull it out, but basically it's ready to go. I just have to balance it real quick and turn it on. So I just didn't want to have to take the gimbal apart. A couple things I forgot to go over, guys. Sorry for the interruption. On my strap here I have my Peak Design Capture Pro. So I put my camera on there when I need to. And also on the side here I have my Joby Gorilla Pod. This is the Focus one, I believe it's called. Anyways, forgot to show you guys that. And on the front of the back of the camera, I have this pouch that I'll attach here. And I have all my, here's the tripod to the gimbal. And I have, you know, camera straps and my batteries in here. So we're all set with that. But let's finish the video. And that's it for the main equipment here. On the other side of the backpack, I have a Ethernet cable. I have a shade for the GH5 shade. It's a small ring shade. I have some accessories, some rings for ND filters, some extra Peak Design anchors, and over here I'm going to be carrying my 15-inch MacBook Pro, which I didn't put in here for the video, but it'll go in there. It's an older model. I do need to upgrade. And then I have my ND filters here in this little case here. And that's it, guys. It was really hard for me to decide on this, but I wanted to bring my drone with me, but because it's the World Cup and all that, I know that they're really strict on what to bring and what they're allowing to use and where you can use it. So to avoid any hassles or any problems, I decided not to bring my drone. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share a real quick video. I'm excited. I'm headed to Russia for the World Cup. I'm going to be going to one match for sure. I'm still trying to get tickets to some other matches. But regardless, you know, it's still going to be a nice trip. So stay tuned for some travel vlogs that I'm going to have come up, guys. And if you have any questions about any of this equipment, just comment down below. Let me know. Be sure to check me out on Instagram as well, at Marlon_PTY. I'm going to be posting some stories there and some pictures from my trip. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Take care.